So what's going on, y'all? We back again. We back in the lab. My name is EA, and you dining with EA. Check this out. I'm not gonna leave you too long, but this morning, what we're gonna do, we're gonna shift the whole dynamic with regard to the potato, right? You know, you're familiar with as a side dish. I'm sure most of you like your baked potato. You like your mashed potatoes with the steak and things of that nature. I'm gonna give you an alternative to the baked potato and the mashed potato. We're gonna prepare a tantalizing, delicious item called the potato cake, or the potato pancake, if you will. Very filling, very delicious, and this is how we're gonna get it done, y'all. We have here some chopped onions. We're gonna saute some shrimp. We have some fresh chopped parsley, and of course we have our potatoes. And we're gonna go ahead and get these potatoes all cooked down and everything. We're gonna mash them up like mama and them used to do, right? And then we're gonna go to work, okay? Okay, first thing we're gonna do, right? We got our potatoes here, we got them all chopped up and so forth. We're just gonna go and put them in the pot here, right? And let them just boil down until they're soft. And this is gonna take a minute, right? This is gonna take a minute. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and throw a top on these right here. We're gonna turn this eye off, move them over to this other heating element over there, this other fire, right? And then we're gonna move on over here. We're gonna get ready to start sauteing our onions and our shrimp. Okay, in your frying pan, you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter, right? About 2 tablespoons of butter and a little olive oil. And we're just gonna let that heat up for us real quick. Let that heat up. Then enter our shrimp and our onions. We're gonna saute it up, right? Okay, we got our shrimp and our onions in our frying pan. We're just gonna saute them down, like so, right? Go and add a little pepper. Add a little pepper. My sister got me this. Isn't that neat? Add a little pepper in there, like so. Yeah, dog. Add a little low sodium salt. Yep. Let's throw a little Cajun seasoning in there also. Cajun seasoning. Okay. I'm gonna put a little pinch of Old Bay in there. A little pinch of Old Bay. Yeah, there you go. Not too much, just a little bit. A little bit of Old Bay, baby. A little bit of Old Bay. Yeah, we're just gonna let the onions and the shrimp just saute down. See that? Look at that. Okay, the potatoes are still cooking, and as you can see, your onions and your shrimp are nicely sauteed, and they're ready to come off. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, we have our potatoes, right, like so. We're gonna get our masher, move this to the side, mash our potatoes up like so, like mom and them used to do, just like that. Mash them up just like that. Okay, from here, I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons of non-salted butter, put it here like so. All right, mix it up. 2 tablespoons of non-salted butter. I'm gonna put a little low sodium salt. We're gonna get some black pepper. I'm gonna put a little onion powder in here. A little garlic powder. All right. I'll put our 2 eggs in here. 2 eggs. Put our sliced parsley in there like so. We're gonna get our mozzarella. Put our mozzarella in there. And you know, you can eyeball the amount of mozzarella you want in your potato cakes. All right. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our sauteed shrimp and our onions, put in there like so. And we're just gonna mix it up. I almost forgot. You want to put a few breadcrumbs in there as well. Just a few breadcrumbs. Your choice. It can be Italian breadcrumbs, regular breadcrumbs. It's up to you. Good, now that you got everything all mixed up, you want to put a little olive oil on your palms so that the potato won't stick. Get it out of there like that. Just form your pie, your patty. Just like that. Gonna sit it right here like so. Individual. Now what I like to do is sit them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes before you put them in your frying pan. Okay, y'all, we're back to the skillet now, right? What we've done, we put some olive oil inside of our pan. We're letting the oil heat up, and it's just about where it needs to be. So all we're gonna do is just take our patties, sit them in there like so. And you're gonna definitely want to let your patties sit in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes before you start cooking them. To allow the egg to kind of solidify, you know. Okay? So we're just gonna let those cook. And we're gonna let those cook until they're brown on each side. That's that potato cake, baby. Yeah, dog. Yeah. Okay. Here we go, y'all. So there you have it. That golden, cheesy potato cake with shrimp surprise. Got a shrimp surprise in it for y'all. In every bite, baby. In every bite. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Look at that, y'all. I know it looked like a crab cake, but that's not a crab cake, y'all. That's a delicious, delectable potato cake, baby, laced with sauteed onions and shrimp, right? Cooked to perfection, man. Look, you can have this as a main dish, an appetizer, right? Or even a brunch favorite. So look here, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the button, subscribe for more delicious creations, right? And let me know in the comments how you serve these up. So until next time, keep cooking with creativity and a touch of flair. My name is EA, and you dining with EA, baby. Oh yeah. You know I was gonna break the rules. You know I had to flip the script. You know I had to lace it with some those delicious and juicy wings, barbecue wings. Yeah, I cooked those off to the side. I just had a taste for them. Hey, look here. I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right? Peace.